United States Air Force leather jacket, 44 regular, shell 100% leather, lining 50% cotton, 50% polyester, snap-down collar with hook and eye, top entry pockets with snap-close flap, 2 interior patch pockets and a pen pocket, knit cuffs and wristband, brass zipper under front storm flap, leather epaulets, Velcro covered patches on right and left chest for securing your insignias, made in the USA, new.
Government Liquidation, the world's online marketplace for U.S. government surplus and scrap property. With thousands of military surplus items added weekly to our inventory, GL offers surplus buyers a unique and dynamic pool of property for purchase and resale.